3 shades of black is where I come from. Depression, misery, and hellacious fun. No, we're not the kind to turn our backs and run. 'Cause 3 shades of black is where we come from. We are a certain breed and we don't like you. Some are junkies, some are freaks, and others are everyday ghouls. No one will ever know what we've been through, and we are proud in the light of the moon. 3 shades of black. 3 shades of black. We all like metal and whiskey, living hard and chasing downhill. We'll never give up on what we have, 'cause the darkness gives us our thrills. Three shades of black is where I come from. I was born into sacrifice when I was young. 3 shades of black is what makes us strong, and we all wear it like a uniform of chosen ones. 3 shades of black. 3 shades of black. 3 shades of black. We all like metal and whiskey, living hard and chasing downhill. We'll never give up on what we have, 'cause the darkness gives us our thrills. 'Cause the darkness gives us our thrills.